Overseas now to the front lines of the COVID crisis. India at a breaking point, heading toward 1 million deaths from COVID as cases soar and the medical system nears collapse. Anti-government anger is growing. Maggie Rulli is on the scene in New Delhi. Good morning, Maggie.
Hey, George, good morning. Yeah, the need here is just still so desperate. I want to show you this house of worship. Just today, it's been converted into a hospital with enough beds for 400 people. And standing out here, we have been watching as ambulances come up, multiple people arriving, all who have tested positive for COVID-19. And George, you know, on the ground, it just feels like as fast as help arrives, the need is even greater. This morning, India in crisis. The country's healthcare system pushed to its breaking point.
We are beyond capacity in our ICU.
This doctor telling me they don't have the nurses, doctors, or supplies to treat all of those sick with COVID.
We have seen deaths when patients have arrived at the emergency and died at the gate of the emergency. These are lives which could have been saved.
In just the past 24 hours, more than 400,000 new COVID cases and more than 4,000 deaths. And experts believe those numbers are drastically underreported, with one estimate predicting that 1 million Indians could die from COVID-19 by August. International aid is pouring in, as many tell us they feel the country's healthcare system has failed them, and now they have to step in to help themselves. Outside this hospital, we meet people making desperate calls to find help for their loved ones. This couple is told there's no room for their aunt. What are you going to do now?
Go research more.
This man tells us he's tried more than 20 hospitals and clinics, and so far, no one has an ICU bed for his uncle. He says while the government claims there's enough oxygen and medical care for everyone, the reality on the ground is desperate. People like that man and so many others often find themselves here, places that are reaching out, trying to help people. We have driven past so many makeshift clinics set up on the side of the road in tents, seen people driving up to get oxygen. Most of these places all run by volunteers. In fact, so many people tell us that it's this help from their community, from sometimes total strangers, that's keeping their loved ones alive.
And Maggie, give us a deeper sense of what you're seeing right now.
Yeah, George, it's hard not to feel helpless sometimes on the ground here in India right now. Outside of clinics and hospitals, we've watched as patients on cots are receiving life-saving care in the 100-degree heat laying on the side of the road. And there's also this other side to the city. You know, New Delhi is known for its vibrancy, its packed streets, and its culture. But right now, it is just eerily quiet, George. People staying inside because they're scared, and they're scared to go outside.
Such a terrifying situation. Maggie Rulli, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.